bwe mbadde neebaza ttiimu eno y'aba Hunger Fighters abakola omulimu mu refugee camps gye bayamba ba refugees okukozesa obufo bwe balina obutono okusobola okukola okulima emmere erimu ekiriisa ekirungi n'okusobola okubeezaawo ebbanga eddene. Naye nga tulowooza ku barefugee abo gye bali mu refugee camps tulina naffe okukimanya naffe ettaka lye tuliko nalyo teryeyongera gaziwa, ate nga buli lunaku twongera okukola ki okuzaala abantu tweyongera. Kati tuli mu miliyoni 45, batugamba mu bbanga eritaliyo tujja kuba ku miliyoni 5. Kakati tulina naffe okwegatta ku mugendo ogwo ogw'okuba tusobola okukozesa ettaka ettono ne tulima emmere esobola otubeezaawo si mu bungi bwokka naye ne mu kiriisa tulimirako emmere ey'ekiriisa ekirungi, tuleme kuba nga tufuna abaana abakwatako tubadde tukyabalaba naye ate gye bujja mu maaso tunaba tetwefuddeeko tuyinza okuddayo okulaba abantu abalwala kwatako ng'emmere tekyabamala oba erimu ekibiriisa tebakyasobola gifuna olw'engeri gye embeera ensinga gyegenda maaso. Waliwo ensobi oluusi ekolebwa abaga nti bitongole byakuyamba abantu ne bajja bo ne balowooza nti bamanye kyeki abantu kye beetaaga ne babaleeta oba ne babaleetera bo kye balowoozezza. Naye kiba kirungi ne mugenda ku ground ne mumanya abantu eno community eno yeetaaga ki, nabo ne baba involved ne baba nga benyigiramu okusalawo ki kye beetaaga era banakikola batya. Kubanga bw'okola bw'otyo olekawo emirandira okusiga gwe lwojja n'oleeta ky'ogambye gwe kyolowooza kye beetaaga n'ogenda nakyo ne kigenda naawe. Ega kyagala tubeere nga tugenda okuyamba community tulina okumanya kiki community kye yeetaaga era nabo bennyini ne tubakozesa okuba nti bafuna ekyetaagisa ekyo. On behalf of the Hunger Fighters Uganda, as a token of appreciation, please accept this humble plaque, but it means a lot from them. Thank you very much for the partnership, and please continue supporting these efforts. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
is there anybody from IGB's office? This more than one. I think so. It looks so. And thank you very much. Yeah.
thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen. Here and present a speech and a composition. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are in your country of origin and you're not under any sort of pressure, you have a reason to thank the Almighty. People are crossing borders to seek refuge in Uganda. Who are you not to be blessed to have Uganda as a country and be called a Ugandan? If you're proud to be a Ugandan, please clap for yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you and thank you so much. At this particular point in time,
the representative of the country director of World Food Program, government officials present, private sector, civil society, members of the board of directors, members and staff of Hunger Fighters Uganda, friends and well-wishers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, including the two people who gave us their testimonies. Good evening. Everything good said by the previous speakers is mine, and everything bad said by them is theirs. It is with profound honor for me to stand before you this evening as we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey of this humble organization, the Hunger Fighters Uganda. A journey dedicated to the noble cause of eradicating hunger and malnutrition in our beloved nation. When somebody hears about hunger and malnutrition in Uganda, somebody may say, you are not serious. But the statistics have told us otherwise, that there is a problem, and that it's real, and that some people are malnutrition, and some people face hunger. So it's not hearsay, but it's a reality. So I want to, again, if I go far, thank the people, these young men and women, we have been informed 15 years ago, small as they were, number of 8, they got this vision and they planted a seed. And just like the maize seed which you plant one, and then the maize seed brings 2 cobs, sometimes 3, so many seeds, this group of 8 has now brought this us together, and the numbers have grown. So congratulations on that. They were not driven by money, they were not driven by fame or fortune, but by a deep sense of responsibility to their fellow Ugandans and also the vulnerable communities, as we have heard. Today, we are talking of 160 members of staff and volunteers and over 35 casual staff, an achievement worth celebrating. So congratulations each and every one of you on reaching this remarkable milestone, all the members of this organization, and thank you all for joining them to celebrate this noble cause. As we reflect on the theme of tonight's celebration, sustaining the foundation for food secure future, it is crucial to recognize the critical role that sustainable agriculture plays in achieving food security. Over the past 15 years, Hunger Fighters Uganda has exemplified how dedicated individuals, driven by compassion and commitment, can make a tangible impact on the lives of smallholder farmers, refugees, and host communities. We have just had a testimony from 2 people who have rightly said they never knew anything about saving. They never knew that a small plot of land could be used to make food and produce food sustainably and also be able to address the issue of malnutrition. Very, very real story, testimonies here. Hunger Fighters Uganda aligns with the global goals set forth to combat hunger and malnutrition, particularly the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2, which aims to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. One of the people made testimony, they said the land is not increasing, the numbers are increasing. We have just been told how the numbers are growing by day. By day. Our country will not grow any larger. It's 243,000 square kilometers, and that's it. But then we have to accommodate the growing population of 45. Now we are 45 million. I think we are soon going to hit 50 million. Now plus the unfortunate people of the countries around us who have to come and take refuge here. We are good hosts, but we must be able to sustain that. Otherwise, we have a problem. We'll have a problem. So as we talk about enabling the refugee communities to be able to produce food sustainably on their small plots, that message should go down to us as well as citizens. That the little land we have, whatever land we have, we must now be able to use that land and produce food sustainably. Otherwise, we could face a challenge in the near future. Let us not forget that behind every statistic
is a family. Children, parents, and elders who face the daily challenges of securing nutritious food. From your elaborated work, it's evident that Hunger Fighters Uganda has been instrumental in addressing these challenges through innovative programs, community engagement, and partnerships that resonate with the vision of a hunger-free Uganda. I want to again thank you. Sometimes many organizations, we make mistakes, but in Rotary we have learned better. That we go in communities and sometimes we say, this is what the community needs. And we bring whatever we bring and we leave. And when we leave, that's the end of the story. Hunger Fighters have done it differently. They have gone down on the community, made the needs assessment, and been able to educate the community and pass on the knowledge to the community and engage the community so that the community can see the benefit of being participants. And I think that should be the approach for anybody who wants to help the communities to live a better life. The founders of this noble organization, especially the alumni of the certificate course on hunger in the 21st century, your commitment to learning and applying that knowledge for the greater good is inspiring. I commend the World Food Program and Makerere University, Continuing Agriculture Education Center at Kabanyoro, for laying the foundation. Thank you, World Food Program. You're a partner. You have been with us. I worked with you before when I was up north during those bad days, and I've seen the commitment you have. Thank you very much. You embarked upon has blossomed into a movement that not only fights hunger, but also uplifts lives, nurtures hope, and fosters resilience. As we look forward to the future, I urge each of you to keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The challenges ahead may be many and they may seem daunting, but with collaboration, partnerships, and steadfast commitment to the mission, we can create a future where food security is not just a dream, but a reality to all. To the staff and volunteers of Hunger Fighters Uganda, your dedication and hard work, and also I think I saw you doing a vibe here, that is not all work without play. I think that's a bedrock of your organization. It was interesting to see when you said, when the song went up and everybody came up, it was showing that there is a very good teamwork in the organization. Champions of change and your relentless efforts to bring hope and sustenance to the communities do not go unnoticed. The training of over 16,000 individuals in financial and digital literacy is a step in the right direction. Tonight, let us celebrate not only the accomplishments of the past, but also the future we are building together. Let us continue to work hand in hand, inspiring one another to dream bigger, work harder, and support each other in this noble cause and many other noble causes out there. Before I conclude, I want to thank the leadership of Hunger Fighters Uganda for having practiced very high level of integrity and transparency. That's why you have been able to work with organizations like World Food Program. Otherwise, I don't think you'd have got this far, 15 years working steadfast with the World Food Program. Thank you, and please keep it up. Integrity and transparency. That everything you do is very clear and there are no things done behind the back. In conclusion, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved in making this anniversary dinner a reality. Even our host, Hotel Africana, thank you for giving us a good ambience. As I conclude, let's raise our glasses, those who have them. Please stand up and let's celebrate. Raise our glasses. to the 15 years. Somebody help me with mine too.